Hi, my name is Bailey O'Hara. Monologue, smart. Kelly defends her intelligence to her brother. You think you're so smart just because you won a stupid chess tournament. Please, I've beat you 5 times in the last month, and I'm 4 years younger than you. The only reason I can't go to the tournament is because you have to be 12, not because I'm a girl. Girls are just as smart as boys. In fact, I even think they're smarter. Remember when you were my age, when you were scared out of your mind that Mom and Dad's waterbed would spring a leak, fill up the room, and we'd all be underwater? I was only 4 and I knew that wasn't going to happen. Or how about the time when you plugged in the stereo wire into the wall and blew Dad's sound system? Or how about the time when you locked yourself inside of the car with the keys? Mom had to call the fire department to get you out. Have I ever done anything like that? I rest my case.